Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So on the screen is a civil service exam question under numerical reasoning. Okay? So here is the question. Which of the following is the smallest fraction? So may lima tayong given dyan. So ang option, A, 13 over 17, B, 6 over 11, C, 19 over 27, D, 21 over 23, or E, 5 over 7. You can pause this video and try to answer. Okay, let us solve together. So of course, possible technique na gawin nyo dito ay yung gagawing similar fractions, yung limang fraction na to. So kasi madali tayong makapag-compare ng fraction kung alin yung mas maliit or mas malaki kapag similar na siya. Let's say for example, 1/3. 1/3 and 2/3. 1/3 and 2/3. So they are similar, same denominators. So definitely, since mas maliit yung numerator dito compared dito, so less than si 1/3. At kung yan yung gagamitin natin, time-consuming yan. So instead of using that, pwede natin gawin yung ganito. 6 over 11, yung unang fraction, di ba? 6 over 11, and next is 13 over 17. Now, cross-multiply lang natin. 17 times 6. Okay, 17 times 6 is what? 42. So that is 102. 102 and 13 times 11. So madali ito kapag nagmumultiply ng 11. So di ba? Kopyahin mo yung first digit and last digit, tens digit and ones digit, and 1 plus 3, 143. So 102 is less than 143. So therefore, 6 over 11 is less than 13 over 17. Okay? Next. Ang sunod naman, compare natin ay 6 over 11 and 19 over 27. So 6 times 27, what is that? 27 times 6. So 42 again, 12, 12, and then plus 4. So that would be what? 16, right? So 162. And what? What is 19 times 11? 19 times 11, copy 1 and 9, and 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 here, and add 1 here, kaya magiging 2. So 209 yan. 209. So less than na naman. So therefore, 6 over 11 is less than 19 over 27. So ganun lang yung technique. Next, dalawa pang i-ano natin. 6 over 11 and what? 21 over 23. So 6 times 23, 23 times 6, so that would be 18, 12, 13, 138. And what is 21 times 11? 21 times 11, copy 2, copy 1, 1 plus 2, so 3, 231. So 138 is less than 231. So therefore, 6 over 11 is less than 21 over 23. Now, 5 over 7 naman. 6 over 11 and 5 over 7. So, 6 times 7, 42. And 5 times 11, 55, right? So, less than. So, therefore, 6 over 11 is less than 5 over 7. So, definitely the answer is 6 over 11. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will follow my Facebook account and YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.